training and hands-on learning experiences.
Flight simulators are actual replica of aircraft that enhance flight training, that ease the whole process of flight training. Flight training is very expensive and it's very hard to groom a pilot because the costs are very, very, very high. Now, how do we cut the cost of flight training? Through simulation. Because when you sit up here, you get the basics, you get the procedures, you get the checks, and at the end of the day, you have muscle memory.
Innovation flight training devices and ATC-related simulations were an innovation by Mukasa Ivan Muworia in 2023. Muworia attended a pilot school in South Africa and later established Wama Aero Innovations.
I think that aviation has been mythical, not only to Ugandans here, but even abroad. It's something that has been kept in the dark, all right? Thanks to the simulation world that came up, or simulation technology. Now you can also sit with me here in a cockpit.
Investment in aviation-related innovations is one of the expensive ventures that requires government support.
These ATOs, or accredited or training organizations, or you call flight schools, don't own these aircraft. They lease them on basis, okay? And it's upon you, the end user, to pay the lease fee. So you got to pay the guy who owns that aircraft.
The president of World Federation of Engineering Associations, Engineer Mustafa B. Shehu, says inadequate funding by African governments is a big challenge facing innovators in Africa.
Because it's one thing to innovate something. It's another thing for the government to believe in us, to believe in the prototype, and also to support the manufacturer. And once we support the products of any African innovator or entrepreneur, we should make a deliberate policy to make sure that.
During a media briefing, the Minister for Science, Technology and Innovation, Dr. Monica Musenero, told the media ahead of UNESCO Africa Engineering Week and the 9th African Conference at Speak Resort Munyonyo that the forum will improve strides in innovation in Africa.
We are going to have a lot of interaction during these days of the forum. We will have fire